Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah, so let's go. Green color, red color, blue color, purple color, pink color, orange color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fairy. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I for Iceland. J. J for jelly. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for noodle. O. O for other. P. P for pig. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rat. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. U. U for uniform. V. V for violin. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Yellow color, blue sky color, pink color, light green color, red color. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.